Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today we are doing some more mods to my F30. Today we are doing some light upgrades on the inside, such as the ambient lighting. So we have got, let me show you. So on here, if we turn it on, the car on, we'll have the little amber light in there, as well as on the doors. And also it comes with a nice black strip to get rid of this, as you can see on that door, which we're going to do today. As well as you can see back there, it looks quite nice in at the night, and also it's orange, which obviously everyone knows the BMW lights all turned orange on everything on the vehicle, even the dashboard. But obviously this one you can set to change on iDrive. So you go to my vehicle, vehicle settings, lights, interior, and obviously you can change it to sport, which then changes it all to white. And also obviously if it's too bright, you can turn it down, turn it up, and go back like that. And normally, like this car, I saw it on the vehicle but only had like a little light just below here, little light that lights up this part. But there's a wire for that one, and also there's wiring inside the door panels for it, which is always good because this vehicle doesn't come with it standard. As you can see, no lights or anything on it. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. Obviously I'll show you how to do it on that door and on the rear door here. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Obviously we've got other videos such as fitting this wireless charging unit. So it runs just like that. Put your phone in, possibly move it with sides to do it just like that. Works with the car. Also we're going to have a few little things. We're going to update the screen to the 8.8 eventually. We've got some other little bits. We're going to change all this to carbon and black, same as that, and change this gear knob. And yeah, there'll be a video on this BMW saying what I've done to it, because it's got an induction kit on it currently. Charge pipe stage 1 being 300 odd brake. But yeah, we'll jump to that video another day. So we will go to that one now. Right, so to remove this door, you've got to unclip this, and there'll be a screw there and a screw there. Also, I find if your car has one of these, then you pop that one out, unplug it, and I use my hand to go into there to pull to help unclip all of it. So you have clips all along here, and so on. You don't need to worry about that. The only thing you will have to worry on the rear, which I'll show you, is this cable for the speaker. But yeah, we'll go ahead and take this off, unscrew it all, pull it off, and we will get to the main part of it. I'll see you in a minute. now we've got the door card off. This just unclips, same as all the wiring loom for the lights, the switches, the floor lighting. Here's off your speaker. That's where it all clips in on the top half, and your little. And if we go down here, you can see you've got all these poppers and bits and pieces like that. It seems that this door card has actually got the connector on, but the other two didn't. But this one was plugged in, but I did check. I plugged it back in and it wasn't working. So we're just going to go ahead and do this. And we've got all those clips, which then pick all up. So now to remove the plastic, this involves some cutting. So you've got to break that clip, that one, that one, that one, all of these clips, and you've got to break that one, and then that trim falls off, and then we'll go ahead and put the new one in. So there we go. Pull it back out. You can see every little clip is all broken off, and once that's done, this part will just fall off, as you can see. You just break all these factory clips off, but that's alright because you're going to be changing for the other one. So that was all worth the bin, so we're going to just get the new one and in the kit and go and reassemble it. Right, now we've got the new one. As you can see, it's got loads of LEDs, nice and black. It's got all those little bits and the connector. Obviously feed the connector through that hole. So I'm going to fit that in and I'm going to show you how you install this part. Right, so you fit it in just enough so that comes through the hole, and you get given these little silver ones, which you will put in one side first, because you've got to mould the plastic to the size of the door. A little Philip. Little Phillips. And all you do, without pressing too hard, so it's hard enough for the camera, is you just screw it in. Maybe. There we go. You just screw it in, and I will be able to show you what I mean. So you screw it in until it stops. Pull the door card back out. As you can see, that's then in now. So same as this one. You sew it around the best you'll be. Pop the most obvious. There we go. Give me a second and I'll get that all lined in. Basically just line that up and I'll tell you what to do with the rest done. Right, so now we've got that one in and that one in, which then makes it fit. Obviously it stands up here, but in the kit we get loads of little black ones, which then go in between there on all the little bars. You can probably see some, and then that fastens it in, so I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I'll jump back to the next bit.
Let's go.
will be wiped off, but it fits nicely. So now I'm just going to go ahead and put the door back on. And of course you've got loads of different ones. You've got a switch before you install them if you don't have it on iDrive, which is pretty new. But of course we'll be using it along with a 3 pin. Not 2 pin, there's 2 pins I want for power. And then you can do sub mode, so we've got the iDrive function. We're going to use a 3 pin. So we're going to put this back in the door guard right now. There we go, it's now all working. I'm going to check that it is working. So that's one down. Just put the other one in here. As you can see, it does look quite nice once all of them will be done. And again, they can all controlled by iDrive, which is a nice little touch. So now we'll get onto the other door. So I will time lapse it and show you what's the difference between that door and that door, which you need to pay attention for. So off we go. Okay, so the difference on this one is that it's setting up and it's got tweeter and the plug here. This is only on the hardware stereo system as far as I know. So this will go onto here and plug into there, and then that will be all you have to do. I'll plug it in and then the other plug right back in when we want to go and do it. Again, there you go to it. So that one, and that one. This one you need to worry about floor lighting, which I do, which is like that. But yeah, I'll just jump, I'll carry on with the door, and then I'll show you how you plug it all back in. Simple as that, the time lapse, and then we'll have it all done. Just like that, easy. guys, if you wondered where the button is, there's a switch just there. Don't know if it's going to focus on it. Just there, that you can turn in and out. So I'm just going to check that it works with my iDrive. As you can see, it looks quite nice, and it's a nice little upgrade to your interior for, I think this was like £120, including the part there to make it sync. But yeah, link will be in the description for this. So I hope you enjoyed, and of course I'm going to jump to what it looks like at night very shortly, so I'll see you in that bit. I forgot to say, guys, for the light strips you have got this kit which is for you to hardwire it. So if you don't have the plug or the part on the iDrive, you can hardwire it. It shows the instructions when you buy it on how to do it. You can see you've got 2 wires which you use on this. I'm pretty sure you somehow wire it in from the connector here, just in case you got those lights, which is the video is coming out soon, and door handle lights. Okay guys, that was just a little bit, and then we're going to cut towards the other bits, so I'll see you in a bit.